Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Excel. In this module, I want to show you how you can use conditional formatting to flag up any changes between data sets. So on the screen, what I've got here is some tasks that are straight from Microsoft Project, but in Excel, and a second sheet which is equal to the first sheet. So basically everything is showing green because this sheet is equal, because conditional formatting is set to show green if that cell, for example, is equal to that cell, which it is. Now if I change any of this information, I'm going to go back into project and copy some information, but before you see the dates here are different, so I'll just copy this information. I've got it selected, so copy cells, come back into Excel. On that first sheet, just paste over these, so the dates are the 19th. If I paste this, the dates are now not the 19th. I'll just get rid of this top line because it's copied that in as well. So now that says the 5th and the 5th. So this second sheet should be showing an error. So that's still saying the same date. So everything else is, the durations are pretty similar. So let's have a look what's happened here. Install software room 1. Okay, so what I've done is actually copied the title, and I didn't have the title in here to start with, so the title was not set up right, but it doesn't matter. I'll show you how it works. So we can see that all these dates are wrong from what I expected it to be, and you've got different text there. So if I just undo this, and again, so there's the title, and on this second sheet I don't have the title. So what I need to do is set that up properly, but I'll do that now from scratch. If I get myself, in fact, if I just delete these two, delete that sheet, yep, and delete that sheet, yep. So what I want to do is, first of all, I'll go and copy this data, so I'll get everything. I'll copy the title as well. So that's the data with the resources that may or may not change. So I'm copying that, and I'm putting it into an Excel file, paste, and then I just need to sort this out a little bit. So let's just highlight that, and yeah, get everything. I have to do it manually because it's not decided it's not going to do it, and then bring it up like that, and then the dates. So double clicking for some weird reason does not sort it out, which is really irritating, but there you go, I've done it now. So now I'm going to copy that, so that's how it is at the moment in project. So copy that and put it onto a separate sheet, just a complete copy, paste that there, and do all that stuff again. Now no doubt people are going to be commenting that you could have done X, Y, Z. Yes, well done, I know that, but I didn't, so there you go. Now what I'm going to do is, on this second sheet, is I'm going to highlight this area, and I'm going to use conditional formatting to link this with the other sheet. I'll just widen that a little bit more and bring that down even more. That's it. So highlight that, go to conditional formatting, manage rules down the bottom, and then I'm going to create two rules, red and green, new rule, and it's just going to be a quick formula. So basically, if that equals that, so the title stays the same, that's good, format green. Okay, now one thing you do have to do is you need to take these dollar signs off. So I'm pressing the F4 function key 1, 2, 3 times to get rid of the dollar signs. If you start using backspace, you'll probably find that the cell references will change, but that's what I want to do. Click OK, have a quick look, apply, everything goes green, that's good. Second one, what happens if it's not equal to? So this time it's going to be, if that cell is not equal to, and then you're going on to the other sheet, this is going to be format red. You want it to go red, and then again you've got to take the dollar sign off. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. OK, and nothing should happen when I go apply, but I'll click OK to that. And if I just test this for a second, if I just change that date to today, and go back onto the sheet, that's automatically coloured up red. So if I do undo, so now I've done undo, so we've got it all set up to go. The second sheet is green, which means at the moment nothing's changed. So if you're getting a report sent out into Excel, because you can do that in Microsoft Project, you can output into Excel and it's dropping into a file like this, you can then have a quick look at it to see whether anything's changed quickly, and then obviously address whatever needs to be addressed if anything flags up. So if I go back into project and I'll copy this again, before I copy I'll change something. I'll change all the dates, I'll put all the dates to today. So pull it down, they've all gone, bring them back. You can see that it's all Monday the 20th. So now if I highlight this area, in fact I'll change Bob, I'll put Bob in there instead of Ben as well, and then is over allocated. Highlight this area, copy cells, come back into Excel. So this is as if it's being output, and then it's going to overwrite that top line because it puts the title on. So drop that in. So Bob, everything's the 20th, all that's gone red, and Ben has been changed as well. So you can quickly see what's changed. All the dates has changed, the tasks are all the same. One resource has changed, and then you have to go and have a look at what's changed and why it's changed. This is to flag it up with conditional formatting, and you can do that with stock. You could have a stock list, and then any stock that's changed, if it's been sold, you can have it flagging up there. And the formulas that you use in conditional formatting have to be true or false. The answer has to be true or false. So you could use the AND function, the OR function, the IF function, but just the answer has to be true or false. You can't have any other options, but it's still a good little feature to be able to do that. And hopefully that's of use to you, and some of you will pick up on this and apply it in your own work. So hopefully I will see you on the next one. Thank you for your time.